Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T and you're watching T Cooks with Flave. If it is your first time here, welcome to the fun, welcome to the food, welcome to the vibes. Today we are painting, so we are one step closer to getting into the house. I'm at Sherwin-Williams. I just picked up my paint, so I'm heading now to go drop it off. My uncle is here. I have a full team who's gonna be assisting me with this process. I can tell you this, it's been very stressful. I've been having headaches for like the past few days because I just feel super overwhelmed. I have a lot going on, like I told you guys. But we're gonna get this done. I have to move in a week and there's so much more stuff to do, but little by little and by the grace of God, we're gonna get it done. So I just picked up the paint and the little things that I think I'll need. So now I need to go back to my storage and get the floor wrap, because we don't want to mess up the tiles, and just explain everything to my uncle of how we're gonna do stuff. I think he's already here, so let's run to my house really quick, get some stuff done, and we're gonna go paint these walls. Let's go. The man is here. I'm paint a woman. Are you ready?
Ready with the paper.
That is it.
I'm ready with my candy.
Uncle Piggy, you're in charge today, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't let nobody run around here.
I got you.
Okay. Supervisor, everything good, sir?
Yeah, ma'am. I have to keep them two in check.
Yes, and I get off course.
No problem over there. Always like your asses up.
It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day, guys, and I have been going all morning. But I get no chance to vlog. But I get no chance to just checking with you guys so you know what's up. So my mom, my uncle, my auntie, they are over by the house. They've been over there since this morning. They've been painting. Marvin went to do some shopping because we have a very, very big event this weekend. And on top of that, I have one or two little errands that I need to do as a part of the setup for the event this weekend. So everybody kind of busy, but I have to take some time to stop to get some lunch for my mom and for my aunt and my uncle that's at the house. I should be there helping them to paint, but I have to do all the stuff that I have to do out here first. Then later on this evening, I can go there and put in some time. I have a lash appointment today, I believe, around 6. And then at the same time, I'm prepping for an event that I have out of town. So yes, it's a lot going on, but it's still good vibes. You already know. I pulled up to Chef Reese's kitchen for some lunch. Called him up. I was like, hey, I'm gonna need some lunch. So he said, pull up on me, girl. You already know what time it is. And I know you guys know what time it is, because you know, where else you gonna pull up for lunch? No more Chef Reese's kitchen, right? Because when a friend them have business, what we do, we support them. You understand? I rep them business like it's yours. You understand? That's how you do it. Ouch. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. So we're about to pull up. We're gonna get some food. Hopefully it's ready. So I'm not really have to stay too long. I'm not sure what's going on. Oh my God. Why y'all do this to me every time? Jesus.
dish duty today, people.
Oh God, y'all work.
I'm on dish duty today. Chef, what
What you got over here?
Go on now, yeah, stir, you know?
Ooh, dang, look at this. Loaves and stir, watch out. Mercy. Like, if y'all not having lunch at Jeffrey's Kitchen, what are you doing? Oh my God, this smells so good in here. Like, ooh. Beautiful. Wow.
I even asked them about a gallon. So if you guys come to
Jeffrey's Kitchen.
yes, I want a gallon.
People not telling me, do you all want the juices in a gallon bottle? Because guess what? Come over here, so I'm showing you. We have the pine and ginger, delicious.
This is my lunch. Y'all know I'm gonna go get some salmon. Jeffrey's.
One Jeffrey's Kitchen, man. The flavors out of this world.
Period.
Thank you, Flave Gang. You feel me? Come and subscribe, man. Like,
Right,
share,
too. Pop-up shop.
So, you know what I mean? Our pop-up shop, May 3rd and 4th here.
Right here.
5187 South University Drive in Jeffrey's Kitchen.
Yes.
Come and see us for the best food in the world, alright?
Period. We're about to be right out here. Right out here drinking up this good juice. With the flavors out of this world. Yeah. Extra stuff that they don't talk about that you get when you come to Jeffrey's Kitchen. Because I had a lot of bags.
And you know, the one and only.
And the one and only Jody Wody.
Always gotta show love for me.
Always gotta show love. Thank you. I appreciate you so much, guys.
Blessed and safe day. And
Thank you,
please bring
darling.
my damn festival.
I'm gonna bring your damn festivals, girl.
Damn, yeah?
Love you, girl. Later. I'm coming with the grub. Coming with the best. I'm on my way. Stop right here, girl. I'm gonna drop you off right here. First day of work. Yeah. Go make that guac, girl. Big driver. Yeah. So who's gonna take me home? Like, it's ghetto. I have to get out.
Should I bring my stamp?
You know, because you're gonna lose it.
Yeah, I am. It's like a lost other one with that lady face.
All right, girl, you got 2 minutes to get yourself inside. Event day, guys, and we are here. I have my supervisor. What's your name, sir?
George.
George. We have Rochelle in the building. Hello, guys. Morning. I'm happy to see that they're here because we actually need them in order for us to start our setup. Party's gonna be at 9 p.m. but we're gonna be cheers, come on up, master. Love this for you. This is the calm before the storm, y'all. Heading back to the venue. So I had as you guys know, from a couple weeks ago, I went to this venue to show you guys the event that I'm having with the Nigerian family. Oops. So that event is actually today. I've been at the venue since maybe 9 o'clock this morning, and I didn't leave until like 6 to come home, take a shower, and I forgot my shirt that I'm wearing for the event, so I just threw this one on. So everything is pretty much ready. We are taking the food from, all I have to do is take the food from the back to the buffet when I get there and set up the fruit station and the drink station, but everything pretty much is set. So I'm just waiting on Rochelle because we carpooled. The girls are already there. Marvin is there. So we're on schedule. I just thought about something that I need for my storage. So let me get it. I need an extra lighter, I think. So let me call and check in with them at the venue to let them know to do something for me. And hopefully I don't get too busy that I can show you. But the setup is beautiful. When I say beautiful, beautiful. Like if you are not using Tcookswithflave for your event, what are you doing? Like everything just looks like royalty. It's just amazing. Working with one of the best event planners in South Florida as well. So you don't know, so the thing I got turn up. So let's go to the event. Let me grab one thing that I need, and then we're gonna head over to the venue. All right, come along. Just got here. So this is everything. This is the buffet. Shay, you up in? Rush, you still standing? You are the last man standing. Watch ya. This is not safe, guys. No, for real. Marvin, you standing? Are you sitting?
He going.
Marvin say, I want to unload the van tonight. Him lick him head? He want to offload the van tonight. You know.
That's it.
Where's your blue shirt, bro?
But he leave. Yo.
You guys can't see me, but it is 6. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock yet?
5:55.
It's 5:55 a.m. The last time I talked to Uno sister, I was on my way to the event. Well, we just finished and pack up. That's how much work. I put in the work today, not true?
We sure did.
Listen, work, okay? So when you see we're outside enjoying our life, don't. Please, because it is a lot. No, that's one thing. No, for real, it's a lot of work, guys. If you're thinking about doing this business, you just have to love. You just have to have love for it. And you just have to have the right people around you, because boy, about 3 times to them I feel like give up now. And when the rain come down,
Whoa.
twice? No, 3 times. Because the rain came down on us when we were setting up.
Oh, yes.
Remember?
Yeah.
So that delayed us. And then when we got here, before we put out the food, or no, after we put out the food, the rain started. So that changed my setup. So I took down the fireplaces. And it was windy.
Yeah.
And then after the event was finished, I was trying to pack up. The rain came
Shine
down.
up all the moons.
Shine up all the moons, clean them up, put them down, we're ready to pack them in the van, and the rain come down, wet up everything. So hence why we're still here at 6 in the morning. But it's just love same way.
5:56. The cool line.
5:56 a.m. It be your own friends. But we're not the only ones, because the DJ's just packing up and the other vendors are here to pick up their stuff. So I have a lot of work to do, guys. I have to move in like 3 days. How am I gonna do that? We'll talk to them later, yeah? Because Sunday, which is today, was supposed to be my cleaning day. How did that go? Anyways.
I promise you, I'm not big and serious. I cannot help you with your moving. No, seriously.
She just said that to know, because she's tired. Tomorrow when you wake up and she's energized, she's going to say something different.
I'm serious.
Woo! Happy Monday! It's been non-stop since my last event. Like, I don't know what's going on with this vlog, but I think I've been vlogging now for 5 days. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Like, I've been trying to just get this vlog together with everything that I had going on from the event. Into yesterday, I slept the entire day. Like, I did not do nothing yesterday because I was too tired. I was way too tired. So now I'm playing catch up. So my entire family, or most of them, is at the house helping me to paint. Still haven't finished the painting because we had to stop for like a couple days because I had back-to-back events. So I just left Chef Reese's kitchen, picked up some lunch for everyone, and now I'm heading back to drop off the food and try to clean up and stuff, because come tomorrow I'm moving stuff. I have the pop-up shop coming up with Chef Reese, so I just want you guys to come out. Remember, it's May 3rd and 4th, which is Friday and Saturday. Hoping to drop all these vlogs before that, so that way you guys can remember to come out. I'd love to see you guys. I'd love to meet you. I'm gonna be there from 11 to 6. And we're just gonna have a vibe. And it's gonna be amazing. So let us just come together. I'm excited. Just asked Chef Reese and he was like, yo, excited. It's gonna be good. People coming in saying they're gonna pop up on us, whatever. So I'm ready for all that excitement, and just to meet my Flave gangs, for the ones that can make it. And if not, so we're gonna link up another time. My phone rang, and it might ring again. So I don't even remember what I was saying, but anyways, I'm on my way to the house to go drop off food from Chef Reese's kitchen, and I'm gonna give you guys one last update on where we are with the house. I have to move in 2 days, guys. I have not packed a shoe. I have not packed. So tonight I'm gonna be going through everything and just throwing out, putting stuff away that I plan to just throw out or donate or whatever, because there's so many things that I have that I've accumulated that I don't use anymore, and I don't wish to bring them to the house. So I'm gonna just get rid of them. That's just sometimes, I don't know, plates, glasses, things that I really don't use, old pots. Phone again, hold on. Nice, man. Watch big painter. You're not asleep today.
Hey! my niece took me out of retirement. So, all of her,
Big painter? Okay. There's still a lot of work to be done. I'm about to go help and assist. Okay, I don't think he put on this. So the vanity went in here. This look nice. Painter lady. Okay, yeah, this look good.